You didn't invest late, you didn't miss the wave. You got played, and the game was rigged from the start. Welcome to Crypto, the world's greatest scam, where I will rip the mask off the biggest digital pyramid scheme that ever hijacked human hope. The Stoics had a brutal but freeing belief. Don't attach your happiness to external things, especially not things you can't control. Marcus Aurelius would have looked at crypto and said, "Cool story, but I don't build my peace of mind on price charts and Reddit threads." Oh, by the way, I always feature my favorite comment from the last video at the end, so stick around to see if it's yours. All right, let's break the illusion right here. 1. The promise of crypto, a fairy tale for fools. Let's rewind. Crypto was sold to you as financial freedom, a way to escape the banks, the governments, the evil institutions. But what did we actually get? Shady coins made in a teenager's bedroom. White papers so vague they could have been written by a horoscope generator. And influencers screaming to the moon while quietly cashing out on your FOMO. If crypto was a girlfriend, she'd be the kind who promises loyalty while texting your rich friend on the side. And the worst part? You didn't just believe it. You defended it. You called people boomers for asking questions. You turned into a financial cult member. Let me guess, you bought a coin called Pepe Rocket because it had a community. No, you got high on hype and forgot reality was a thing. 2. Who really got rich? Here's the truth. Crypto made some people rich, but not because they were smart, because they were early, because they sold before you did. The top 1% of wallets, they own most of the supply. You were never invited to the real party. You were just the confetti. It's like a casino where the house tells you you're gonna win, then sells you a slot machine that only pays out when you leave. 3. Cutting through the hype. Miyamoto Musashi, the undefeated samurai, wrote the Book of 5 Rings and said, "Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye." Musashi would have looked at crypto and sliced it in half before anyone said blockchain. He didn't fall for surface-level flash. He didn't trust hype. He studied patterns, actions, and results. If you want to survive in a world this deceptive, you need Musashi's eyes. Learn to look past the glow of digital gold and ask, who benefits if I believe this? Because if the answer isn't you, then you're just a pawn in someone else's financial strategy. 4. Web3, the new snake oil. They called it Web3 to sound sexy, but under the hood, still the same scams, just dressed in words like decentralization, tokenomics, and smart contracts. So here's the hard truth. You're not investing, you're gambling with hope. You're donating to anonymous nerds who ghost you after launch. Let me break it down. Crypto isn't evil, but the way it's been sold to you, that's the real scam. It played on your desire to escape the system, while building a new one that's even more chaotic. It promised freedom, but delivered rug pulls, hacks, and meme coins named after Elon Musk's pet hamster. Now, does that sound like a revolution or a cartoonish Ponzi scheme? So, if you're tired of sipping Hopium and calling it innovation, subscribe. We don't sell dreams. We burn the clown logic and dance on the ashes. Hit that subscribe button like it's the face of the guy who told you, "Don't worry, bro. It's just down 95%. It'll bounce back." Crypto didn't fail you. Neither did the market break you. It just took off the mask. Now go sharpen your mind, because the next scam is already knocking, and I'll be here to rip its mask off first. The comment of the day goes to this user named River Gods, and it says, "This looks like the best medicine I've always needed." Well, let me go ahead and give you the prescription. 1 dose daily. Take with water and a strong sense of humor. Don't consult your doctor. He probably watches this channel too.